Hi, this is Crypto 897 and I am Pankaj. Hey, have you ever wondered what money will look like in the future? I'm not talking about flying dollar bills or gold coins from the movies, I mean real everyday money, how we earn it, save it, and spend it. Let's talk about Bitcoin because it's not just some internet buzzword or a passing trend. It's changing the way we think about money, and it might just be the currency of the future. So, what exactly is Bitcoin? At its core, Bitcoin is digital money. But unlike dollars or euros, it isn't printed by any government or controlled by a bank. Instead, it runs on a global network powered by thousands of computers all over the world. This network is called the blockchain. It's kind of like a digital ledger that keeps track of every single Bitcoin transaction, public but secure. Now you might be asking, why would anybody want to use Bitcoin? Well, think about how much of your life happens online. Shopping, paying bills, sending money to friends, almost everything. Bitcoin was designed for the internet age. It moves fast, doesn't care about borders, and best part, there's no middleman. That means you can send Bitcoin directly to anyone, anywhere, without waiting days or paying crazy fees. But here's where it gets really interesting. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That's it, no one can just print more. So, unlike regular money, which can lose value if governments keep printing more, Bitcoin is designed to be limited. A bit like digital gold. Of course, Bitcoin isn't perfect. Its price can swing up and down like a roller coaster, and you've probably heard about scams or hacks in the news. But as more people, companies, and even countries start to use and trust Bitcoin, it could become more stable and widely accepted. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about exchanging currencies when you travel, or waiting days for a payment to clear. Imagine a world where you're in full control of your own money, 24/7, no matter where you are. That's the future Bitcoin promises. And here's the thing, Bitcoin isn't just about money. It's about freedom, privacy, and creating a financial system that works for everyone. Not just the rich or people in powerful countries. Already, millions of people around the world use Bitcoin because it gives them a shot at a better financial future. So, is Bitcoin the future of money? No one can say for sure, but the technology is here, and it's growing fast. If you're curious about what's next, now's the perfect time to learn more, ask questions, and maybe even try it out for yourself. Just remember to do your research and be smart about it. The future of money might look different than you think, and Bitcoin is right at the center of it all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think money will look like in 10 years. Thank you for your time. See you next time.